Here's question 9 on the higher calculator paper. Let's read the question carefully first. Here's a solid prism. So that word prism is ringing bells now, and it's making me think about certain formulas. What do I need to use? And the question says, work out the volume of the prism. Now, to work out the volume of a prism, the formula that you need for this is actually provided on the formula sheet of the higher paper. And here it is. The volume of a prism is given by this formula. It's the area of the cross section, so the area of the bit at the front, times the length, how far back it goes. So if I go back to this question here, I'm going to write down the formula. Volume is equal to area of cross section times the length. Okay, now I don't get any marks for that, but that is going to tell me what I need to do, because the length is how far back it goes, and that's going to be 20, right? So the length is going to be 20 centimeters because it's going 20 centimeters back. The area of the cross section is the area of this face at the front. So it's the area of this shape here at the very front. Now, to work out the area of that shape, that's not a standard shape. And in order to work out its area, I am going to split that shape into two rectangles. Right? There's a rectangle on that side, and there's a rectangle on this side here. Now, to work out the area of a rectangle, it's length times width, and the area of this rectangle is going to be 5 times 7. 5 times 7. And the area of this rectangle here, well, I know that width is 4, but I don't know what this distance here is. It's not 11, because 11 is all the way across. This bit here is 5 centimeters. So that means the bit left over is going to be 11 take away 5, which is 6 centimeters. So this bit here, right, the length is 6 centimeters. So to work out the area of this rectangle on this side, it's going to be 6 times 4. So to work out the area of the cross section, I need to add these two areas. 5 times 7 is 35, and 6 times 4 is 24. And in both those cases, that's centimeters squared. But I'm going to work this out, but I'm going to add these two areas. 35 plus 24, that's going to be 59 centimeters squared. So the volume of the prism is going to be the area of the cross section, 59 centimeters squared, times how far back it goes, and it's going to go back, well, it goes back, as we can see there, 20 centimeters. Now you could either work this out on your own. It's a pretty straightforward calculation, but you have a calculator, make sure you don't slip up. So 59 times 20, that's going to be 1,180. 1,180, and in the answer space they've actually written the units centimeters cubed. So I will write that 1,180 in the answer space. This is a pretty straightforward question, and this is the second time almost an identical question to this has come up in the exam. Make sure if you get a question like this, you know how to do it and you know how to get full marks in it.